Hey, Brian here. Welcome back to Korean Ladder, your daily rung-up.
And I'm Alice. Welcome, climbers. Today we are getting into real casual Korean.
안녕하세요, 하나예요. Welcome to Korean Ladder.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. Welcome back. Today, we climb into everyday slang.
My Korean friend texted me Membung, and I thought maybe something terrible happened. What does it really mean?
And then I heard Hagnoyam, Jang, and Gultib in the same week. I understood every grammar ending, but still felt lost.
좋아요. Today we learn 4 common slang words. 멘붕, 핵, 짱, and 꿀팁. They are useful but casual.
These are not just internet abbreviations. Koreans say them out loud, especially in relaxed conversation. The key is register.
First, 멘붕. It is short for 멘탈 붕괴, mental collapse. In English, it feels like a total brain crash or meltdown.
A natural phrase is 멘붕이 왔어요. Literally, a meltdown came. Naturally, I had a total meltdown.
So it is not just sad. It is overwhelmed, shocked, cannot think straight.
맞아요. 시험이 너무 어려워서 멘붕이 왔어요. The test was so hard that my brain crashed.
Second, 핵. The original meaning is nuclear, but as slang, it means super or mega. You put it before another word.
For example, 핵노잼. 노잼 means no fun, so 핵노잼 means extremely boring or super not fun.
Then Hegguljam would be super fun, right? Same Heg, opposite feeling.
맞아요. But 핵 sounds young and informal. With friends, it is natural. In formal settings, it can sound childish.
Third, 짱. 짱, 짱, 짱. It means the best, awesome, or top level. You can use it for food, a person, a place, or a helpful idea.
이 떡볶이 짱이에요. Means this 떡볶이 is the best. 짱 sounds friendly and energetic.
Can I say 우리 선생님 짱이에요 like our teacher is amazing?
Yes, if the mood is friendly. But for a formal compliment, say 정말 좋으세요 or 정말 훌륭하세요 instead.
Fourth, 꿀티. 꿀 means honey, and tea means tip. Together, 꿀티 is a really useful tip, a golden life hack.
That one feels safer to me. Like, thanks for the Gultib. It sounds friendly, but not too wild.
맞아요. 꿀팁 is probably the safest of the 4. Still, in very formal writing, use 좋은 조언 or 유용한 팁.
Now listen to a short casual dialogue. Notice the speakers are close enough to use these words naturally.
어제 시험 어땠어?
완전 멘붕이었어. 핵 어려웠어.
그래도 끝까지 봤잖아. 너 짱이다.
고마워. 다음 시험 꿀팁 하나 알려줄게.
I heard all 4. Membung, 핵어려웠어, 짱이다, 꿀팁. It sounded casual, but not random.
Exactly. Slang is not only vocabulary, it is relationship. Friends and peers are the comfortable zone.
Let me try a repeat. 멘붕기 왔어요.
좋아요. Keep 멘붕 smooth. Then let 이 왔어요 connect naturally. 멘붕이 왔어요.
My turn. I 꿀팁 진짜 짱이에요.
좋아요. 짱 begins with a tense sound. Think 짱, not 장. The meaning changes if it sounds too soft.
Here is the danger zone. Can I tell a manager, 회의가 핵노잼이었어요? The meeting was super boring.
You should not. The grammar is understandable, but the tone is too casual and too blunt for a manager.
With friends, 핵노잼이었어 is natural. At work, say 조금 지루했어요 or 조금 어려웠어요. Softer, safer.
So the fix is not just adding yo. I need to change the word itself.
Correct. Polite endings help, but casual slang can still sound casual. choose the right vocabulary for the listener.
Quick check. Your manager asks how your weekend was. Which reply is best for work?
Think about register. All three are understandable, but only one is polite and neutral for a manager.
I choose B. It does not use slang and it still sounds friendly.
정답은 B예요. The answer is B. A uses 핵 and C uses 멘붕. Both are too casual for a manager.
One more mini check. With a close friend, which one sounds most natural for a great tip?
I think A, it uses gultib and jang together. In the friend context makes it work.
정답은 A예요. It means this tip is really great. B is too stiff for the context, and C says the tip is super boring.
오늘의 핵심을 정리해요. Let's lock in the 4 takeaways.
첫째, 멘붕. 멘탈이 무너진 느낌이에요. In English, a brain crash or total meltdown. 멘붕이 왔어요.
둘째, 핵. 단어 앞에 붙여서 super or mega. 핵노잼, 핵꿀잼. 아주 캐주얼한 말이에요.
셋째, 짱. 최고라는 뜻이에요. In English, awesome or the best. 음식도 사람도 짱이라고 할 수 있어요.
넷째, 꿀팁. 꿀처럼 좋은 팁이에요. In English, a golden tip or useful life hack. 네, 단어 중에는 제일 안전한 편이에요.
And the big rule is register. Friends and peers, yes. Bosses, clients, formal rooms, choose safer words.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 이 꿀팁 진짜 짱이에요. This great tip is honestly the best.
Use it with a friend this week. Then switch to neutral Korean when the room is formal.
That's our rung for today. I'm Brian.
I'm Alice. Keep climbing, everyone.
오늘도 수고했어요. 다음에 또 만나요.
안녕히 계세요. 다음 랑기에서 만나요.